This episode, I lay pipe. My favorite colleague comes around and messes with my head. Then I weld pipe. Welcome to a welder's journey. Today we're gonna fix a rusty pipe. It's rusted in the middle and it's leaking hydraulic. So what I'm gonna do is replace the middle part, starting off by cutting the ends. Once I cut the new piece to size, I'm gonna baffle it. Baffle it on each side so it welds better. That's my friend Mr. George. He's gonna retire soon. We're gonna miss you, buddy. Once I'm done with the baffling, I'm gonna set the pipe as level as I can. And then I weld it. What I like to do is set the machine a little bit hotter and weld it a bit at a time, always overlapping in the last weld. And that's the first pass, kind of the root pass if you want to say it. If you like my content, please subscribe to the channel. Lots more content on the way. Ideally, this should have been done with TIG, but I don't know how to TIG yet. I'm gonna teach myself soon. What I like to do is do 3 more bigger welds to cover the root pass up. It's like welding in 1/3 increments and always overlapping the last weld. Here she is, final product. Not the prettiest, but I know that's leak proof. All I got to do now is repeat it 4 more times. After I'm done, I like to leak test it just to be sure. What I do is cap the ends and put compressed air into it. And then check for leaks. That's a thumbs up. The leak test passed. The good thing about having a 10-year mechanic experience is that I always remove the thing I need to weld myself and install it back myself. Nobody has to do it for me. That's the props of being a mechanic / welder. I tried to get footage of the truck in work, but my camera didn't grab it, so excuse me for that. I'll get it next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.